Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Today, we the students of class 10A have got the golden precious chance of presenting today's assembly on the topic Cure of Boredom is Curiosity. So let us all light a candle and begin our day with a beautiful thought.
A day without thought is like the day without sunrise, which you can't imagine. Curiosity is the compass that leads to our passion. So follow it, you will never be disappointed because future belongs to curious.
Good morning everybody, my name is Manpreet Kaur and I am from 10th A. I am here to share the news for the day. International news. Dubai's audacious Heart of Europe mega project nears its first stage of completion. National news. The centre told the Delhi High Court that the clinical trials for the COVID-19 vaccine for children below the age of 18 years are going on and are on the verge of completion. Sports news. Pakistan and India have been placed in the Group B for the upcoming T20 World Cup 2021 and they will continue their on-field rivalry in the World Cup.
It is one of the famous quotes by Dorothy Parker. Boredom affects us all. In our always connected world, it's easier than ever to turn round and feel what could be boredom. There is no universally accepted definition of boredom, says Kurt Baker. But whatever it is, researchers argue it is not simply another name for depression or apathy. It seems to be a specific mental state that people find unpleasant, a lack of stimulation that leave them carving relief with a host of behavioral, medical and social consequences. Getting in at least once over a 10-day period. When you are bored, you feel stuck in routine. Same old habits, most things happen on autopilot. Thank you.
Hi, what's up, Ishita? Don't ask. Physically, I am fine, but mentally, boredom is consuming me. Oh, Ishita, tell me about it. Home feel like chamber of boredom. I don't know. I just feel the chaos to shoot out the boredom from me. How about we find some way to do it? Sounds like I have a plan with me. Oh, I got one video. Let's see together.
When I get bored, I listen to the music.
I overcome boredom by watering my plants.
Whenever I get bored, I walk around the park.
If boredom is consuming you and you're curious enough to remove it, try making yourself a cup of tea.
When you are bored, read a book or a newspaper or a magazine.
Whenever you get bored, practice meditation. I am absolutely curious to follow all the things they told in the video. What are we waiting for? Let's do it. Yeah, sure.
Cure of boredom is curiosity and there is no cure for curiosity. Are you curious or would you like to know? Do you ever wondered why cat eyes glow? Are you curious why a cheetah has spots or how a sailor ties his knots? Is it fantastic if you use your brain to think or ponder about the rain? So please be curious and ask why. So it can make you smarter if you'll try. It will make you smarter if you'll try. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.